Hi, another Saturday is here. Clock it. Clock it. Mommies, clock it. So I have a lot to do today. Because you guys should come. Let's spend the Saturday. Spend the Saturday with me, okay?
But my heart is full. This simple life is beautiful.
I may not get everything I'm doing today on camera because the plan today is to finish everything I'm doing on time and rest because I have to make my baby's hair. So I did laundry last night, midnight. So I want to go hang it now. I changed my dress. I'm heading out with my husband to get something. So I want to go hang the laundry I did yesterday. There are a lot to let's go. And then my mom came last weekend. She bought sorry guys, as I was saying, my mom came last weekend, so she bought some ropes for us, which I'm going to be adding to the hanger outside. So let's go together, okay?
Little hands on me. Messy love, my reality. Not perfect, but my heart is full. This simple life is beautiful. This is my everyday, soft but strong, finding my way as I go along, built with love, helped by grace, growing
Remove the sauce.
through every phase. This is my everyday.
Remove the sauce, what is inside?
This is me, living my motherhood. Honestly. Morning light, little hands on me. Messy love, my reality. Not perfect, but my heart is full. This simple life is beautiful. This is my everyday.
So guys, I'm done hanging the clothes. My sister is mopping. She's almost done. Me and my husband want to head out to buy something, but I'm waiting for her to finish up with the mopping. Let me show you guys. She's mopping. She's almost done. Come back and make my daughter's hair. Guys, we are walking. Come now, no, you follow me. So I've cleared here. From here now. When I finish, I'll sweep it.
But my heart is full. This simple life is beautiful. This is my everyday. Soft but strong, finding my way.
So guys, I'm using 0.5. So we are done. See the way everywhere is. We have to clear this place because it's close to our house. So this is really Saturday. So these are the grass. I've swept that place. So we are going to pack this out now. And this is me, exhausted, tired. Doesn't mean there's rake now. I'll rake all these stones to this. Let me show you guys. I'll rake all these stones to this side. So I just finished bathing. We were not able to go again. We're tired. I'm exhausted. So I want to rest. I want to also eat my breakfast now. And watch Netflix, rest. I'm going to be making my baby's hair later. And I'm also going to go to the market to get something, or to the mall to get something. So I also washed my toilet. And I hope you cared for Jaden. Washed my toilet. Then from there, I took my bath. So now I want to eat pasta and then relax. Today, routine was unexpected, unplanned. Yeah. So let's eat. Let me eat, guys. This is my food. This pasta is so delicious. Episode season 6.
Wow.